haloform reaction is given by compounds having methyl ketone group present. So this is called methyl ketone. This is because it has a ketone group and it has a methyl. For example, this is a methyl ketone. When this compound is treated with halogen in basic medium, it forms salt of acid and haloform. So CHX3 is called haloform. And this reaction is called haloform reaction. Let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. This reaction occurs because of acidity of alpha hydrogen. So if you see a methyl ketone, this carbon is alpha carbon and these three hydrogen are alpha hydrogen. We know alpha hydrogens are acidic. So in the first step of mechanism, we have acid-base reaction. OH minus acts as a base and it abstracts a proton. So we will have this carb anion formed. In the next step, this carb anion will act as a nucleophile. So it will attack on halogen so we will have this product. Now this compound again has two alpha hydrogen. And this hydrogen is even more acidic. And this is because minus I effect of halogen. So due to minus I effect of halogen, alpha hydrogen becomes more acidic. So once again we will have acid-base reaction. OH minus will act as a base and it will abstract a proton. So we will generate this carbanion and this will act as a nucleophile in the next step. So it will attack on halogen. So this is electrophilic nucleophilic reaction. Now if you see this compound, it still has a alpha hydrogen. And this alpha hydrogen is very acidic. And this is because of minus I effect of 2 halogen. So this is very acidic. So remaining alpha hydrogen is very acidic due to minus I effect of two halogen. So we will again have acid base reaction. So OH minus will act as base and it will abstract a proton and we will generate carbanion. Now the next step, this carbanion will act as nucleophile and it will attack on halogen. So we will have this product. Now the product formed does not have any alpha hydrogen. So no alpha hydrogen. So we cannot have acid base reaction. But CH3 is a good leaving group. So this is a good leaving group. So now OH minus ion can act as a nucleophile. So OH minus will act as nucleophile. So in the next step, OH minus will attack on carbonylic carbon and it will generate tetrahedral intermediate. So this is tetrahedral intermediate. Now in the next step, we can lose a leaving group so return back and this goes. So this step is simply loss of a leaving group. Now in the next step we can have acid base reaction because this is a strong base So we will have acid-base reaction. So it will gain a proton and we will have the final product, that is haloform and salt of acid. The salt of acid can be acidified to give finally acid. So after acidification, this salt can be converted into acid. So this time we will have benzoic acid. This molecule is called haloform. CHX3 is called haloform. If halogen is chlorine, then this is called chloroform. And if halogen is bromine, it is called bromoform. If halogen is iodine, this is called iodoform. So for example, if I have this molecule and this is treated with I2NaOH, we will have this product. CHI3 is iodoform. Iodoform is a precipitate and this is yellow solid. So formation of yellow precipitate is a test for methyl ketone. So this is about haloform reaction.